Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own glue in order to stick pieces of paper. We are due to release a new album soon on these very delightful cassette tapes. We've made some labels for them. They're in this little packet. These are just print at home, so we've just printed out. And these are going to be stuck onto the cassette tapes like so. Because they're printed at home on normal paper, they don't have sticky stuff on the back. So I thought, why don't I make my own stick to stick onto the cassettes? So what I have here is I have a paintbrush, and what I have done is I have taken some corn flour and heated it up with water and a little bit of vinegar, and it makes this thick paste-like substance, which is very, very grotesque. What I'm going to do, I'm not sure actually this works yet, so I have the surface onto which I'm sticking my piece of paper. It's very similar to this, the plastic on the front of this bottle of bleach that I have. So what I'm going to do as a starting test is stick a normal piece of paper onto this bottle and see if it sticks. So we apply it to the plastic like so, and we are now going to wait and see if this piece of paper stays stuck. We've waited for about 10 minutes and we can see that the piece of paper that we stuck to the bottle isn't going anywhere, so we're quite convinced that this glue works with plastic. So what we're going to do is we're going to get one of our blank cassettes. We're going to take one of the pieces of paper, so this is side B, and we can see because there's a B and it pasted on the corner there. What you want to do is you want to get some of the glue on the end of probably an old paintbrush will do, and you're just going to paint onto the back of the piece of paper with a label. Make sure you get a good coverage. And we'll go right up to the edges, and then very carefully place it on top of the cassette in the space. Just pat it down, being careful not to move your hand too quickly, because with the glue on the back of the paper becomes slightly damp. But obviously when we leave it to dry, all that moisture will dry right out and the glue is going to set hard. And once we've pressed it down enough, there we are, you see. Our image is now on the top of our cassette. We'll leave that to dry. And yeah, you repeat the process many hundreds of thousands of times until you have all the copies of the cassette that you require. I have 48 cassettes in this first batch, so I'm going to make myself a cup of tea, carry on with this for the next few hours. Hope you're all doing alright. Bye!